Comments are lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Programmers use them to leave notes for themselves and others, explaining what the code does. They can be especially useful when you're working on a team. Comments can explain the purpose of the code, describe how it works, or even specify who wrote it and when. To write a comment, we use double slash. Anything between double slash and end of line will be considered a comment. This is known as a single-line comment. We can also write a comment in front of code like this. To comment multiple lines, you can add double slash before each line. Or you can use this syntax, which is called multi-line comments. Here, if I write anything even in multiple line, it will be considered as a comment. Comments can also be used to stop the execution of code. Let's print this area on console. Here's the output. And let's assume you want to stop the execution of this line, maybe because you're testing so you can comment it out. This can be done by either single or multi-line comments. Keep in mind not to overuse comments. Good code should be self-explanatory. If you are writing a lot of comments to explain your code, it might be a sign that you should refactor it. In the next video, we'll learn about variables. Until then, try writing some comments in your code. Please support my channel by subscribing it.